support sa ating mga activities. So, any representative po from the barangays of Cluster 2?
Pwede rin pong ikunin po ng ating participants sa ating street dance competition. Pwede nyo rin pong kunin. Yes, yung queen. Yung queen po ng ating Cluster 2. Pwede rin pong tanggapin ang ating certificate of participation. Active participation.
Yes, active participation from our barangay councils and SK council.
And now let's proceed to Cluster 3. Barangays. Barangay Tuhi.
Barangay Mabato.
Barangay Siay.
Barangay Pakugot.
Barangay Balatuhan.
And Barangay Pilibilihan.
Pwede ko pong kunin po ng ating Cluster 3. Ay, meron, ano pala ang ating kapitan ng Mabato and kapitan ng Barangay Pakugon.
So Barangay Pakugon po. Barangay Captain Honorable Rolly Abundo.
Yes, and Honorable Joel. Next part, Cluster 4.
So Cluster 4 barangays.
We have Barangay Progreso.
Barangay Paraiso.
Barangay Pagsanahan.
Barangay Pagdehon.
Barangay JLE.
And Barangay San Marcos.
Kung wala na kung representative, pwede mo kunin po na ating festival. Pero nakita ko yata si punong barangay ng Paraiso dito na. So, yes, Gerardo Pesorel.
And of course, muna lang mga SK chairman. Ayan. Na may special participation sa kanilang performance.
Nagbulat ako doon, may kasama ko pala.
Sa ating mga SK chairperson, muna lang dito, full support ng ating mga
Okay, so may request again the representative from Cluster 1 and 2 to please be on front kasi po, against the light, ito ba nag-iiwan? Yes, so yun na, may request again, representative from Cluster 1 and Cluster 2.
Thank you so much, Honorable Dr. Tapel and Sir Jerome Tapas, as Senior Tourism Operations Officer, and of course, Secretary NFB, Secretary Shirley Kumano.
Ayun na rin pala kayo ma'am, yes sir, kasi mag-award na po tayo ng ating Certificate of Appreciation sa ating mga Board of Judges.
Doon na lang din. Oo. Tigliwat ba ang anuan? Ang official ball?
Yung may nawawalan sa inyo, susi ng motor, motor tray. Pero kung susi ng motor tray, baka may nawawalan po ng susi ng motor.
Makakin niya.
Pakinggan mo dito sa unahan, or sa gilid.
Akin yan.
Pakinggan mo dito sa taas, pinawawalan po ng susi ng motor. Kung wala po mag-click, kami na po mag-try dito pa ulit. Okay, so award the certificate of appreciation to our Board of Judges. May invite again Honorable Mayor Francisco T. Capel Jr., our Vice Mayor represented by Honorable Juan Capel, and our Secretary to Sangguniang Bayan, Ma'am Lane Kaman, and of course our Tourism Officer, Sir Jerome Tapas Jr.
Okay, so may just brief recognition. Certificate of Appreciation proudly presented to for sharing his or her time and expertise being the judge in street dance competition during the celebration of San Miguel's 72nd founding anniversary, Third World Festival, and Town Fiesta 2024 of the theme Padagos na Pagma, Pagkakaon, Pagkalumo, as in Pagkasarap. Given the 7th day of May 2024, the Municipal Multipurpose Building, District 3, San Miguel, Tanduanes. San Jeronimo B. Tapas Jr., Senior Tourism Operations Officer, Honorable Romel Bartolo T. Capel, SB Member, Committee on Tourism, and Honorable Francisco T. Camano Jr., Municipal Mayor. So, Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to Miss Trisha Slea Solero.
A round of applause, please. appreciation is awarded to Mr. Franklin T. Durante. A round of applause.
And of course, certificate of appreciation is given to Miss Jane Angeles.
We are still live on Amazing Channel Facebook page.
So please like, subscribe, and
And
share.
share, of course. Same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Miss Rosen O. Torres. Same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Dr. Robert Janadino. A round of applause.
Same certificate of appreciation presented to Miss Joy P. Soria.
Meron mo na naon ako?
Same certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Ramel T. Alpena.
Ayan, so once again, thank you so much to our Board of Judges.
Mamaya partner,
Mamaya, kakain ako sa
mga ninong at ginang natin.
una syempre kay ano.
Tagal mo natin yung kaba sa sa ating mga different clusters. Kinakabahan ba? Hindi. Dahil dyan, meron tayong youth night after this one. Meron din tayong awarding doon natin basketball at volleyball tournament and partners. So, we have also DJ Clarence to magpapalala ng wild and free tayo mamaya. So, syempre personal, yes. Syempre, magsuot po ng proper attire. Hindi po namin yung allow yung nakabikini. Bawal po yun sa bawal po sa youth night. Dapat po formal, naka-pants, naka-shoes, syempre. Yung presentable din syempre.
Yes, so hindi mo sobrang formal, pero medyo na.
Yes.
So baka may gusto kong i-call out, partner. Live tayo sa aming
Yes, at least exactly, we are still live. So mga hindi pa nakapollow dyan, please like, follow, and share our official Facebook page, Amazing Sunny Hill.
Yes, so shout out po.
Sino yung shout out mo?
Wala, inansend.
Kina-ansel?
Oo.
Dinagdigan?
Nag-chat tapos inansend.
Ayan.
Kaya mo nakita. Send ko ulit.
Ayan. Partner mo, andito pa sila lahat para mapakinggan. result ng ating different competition.
Siyempre, ayan, sinandaw na shout out kay Joy Guevero.
Ayan, shout out po.
Shout out din kay Marlo Bernal. Makikipiyesta na lang sila.
Wow! Siguro din nila silang plastic kasi maraming handa sa poblasyon partner.
Tupperware ang dala nila partner.
Mga social na partner, alam mo ano yun? Ano yung klase ng plastic na ginamit?
Hindi ko alam. Tapos alam mo ba, bukod sa Tupperware,
Ano yung partner?
naka-eco box sila partner.
Wow! Ang dami parang SM. Okay, pag natin i-announce sa ating arco sa Banwa, Miss Danica, yung totoo po.
May galing ka ba sa amin?
Ayan, partner, talagang muna natin sila, partner ko talagang ready silang malaman ang kanilang result ng ating competition tonight. Let's start with Cluster 4. Ay, mga hindi na ready ang Cluster 4 partner.
Pagod na sila partner.
Okay, now, announcing the Argo sa Banwa competition official result. Third runner-up with an average of 80.4%. Third runner-up goes to our third runner-up. May we call again our honorable Cuadro Capel, of course, Ma'am Lane Camano, and our Senior Tourism Operation Officer, Sir Jerome Taas. Ayan, very exciting. Siguro mas maganda sa ano man, sa taas. Ay, alam po ba yung live? Sa mga pa yung live? Hindi lang sa baba, okay? Once again, for our third runner-up, with an average of 83.4%, Arco sa Banwa. Third runner-up goes to composed of
Katipunan,
Ubo,
Patalan
sa Luzon,
Kayawa,
and Pagkilaw. Congratulations!
congratulations.
Ang Cosa Banwa third runner-up, Cluster 2.
For our second runner-up, sino sa tingin niyo? Our second runner-up, garnering an average score of 85.8. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is Cluster 4.
Cluster 4 is composed of Asanan, Paraiso, Progreso, San Marcos, Diligen, and Dobrejo.
Once again, congratulations, Cluster 4.
Congratulations for Cluster 4. Arco sa Banwa. Thank you very much for Cluster 4. And then now, ladies and gentlemen,
Excited na mga lahat!
partner, excited na ba? Dalawa nila natitira.
Grabe, ang taas ng average score nila, partner.
Partner, ang babanggitin natin yung partner is the champion. Ang babanggitin natin yung champion na. So, ibig sabihin po, pag hindi po nabanggit yung isa, ibig sabihin po, first runner-up. Okay? So, ang babanggitin natin yun is the champion.
Okay, once again, ang babanggitin po ay ang champion ng Arco sa Banwa contest. Ang hindi mababanggit, first runner-up.
And ma'am, Arco sa Banwa, champion. Following an average of 96.75%. Congratulations! Champion for Arco sa Banwa, congratulations, Cluster 3! And our first runner-up is Cluster 1. Following an average of 92.9%. Buton. And our champion is Cluster 3, composed of the following barangays.
Barangay Tubig,
Barangay Siay,
Barangay Mabato,
Barangay Pakugon,
Barangay Balatuhan.
and Barangay Titilan.
Once again, congratulations to our winners.
Arco sa Banwag. And now, for our next award, for Pantomina
So yung mga
Pantomina Showdown, say I call the participants for Pantomina Showdown. So please proceed in front for the awarding of Pantomina Showdown.
So for the Pantomina
Ano sabihin natin sa every partner yung champion kasi dalawa lang yung partner. Easy money partner, 25 at 30,000 pesos.
So ang sasabihin natin ay ang
Champion.
So yun pala, once again, nagpapamitin po namin ang champion ng Pantomina Dance Showdown.
For Pantomina Showdown, garnering an average of 94.29%. The champion for Pantomina Showdown goes to Cluster 1. Cluster 1 is composed of District 1, District 3,
Tatuan,
Sunod,
and Buton.
and our first runner-up is Cluster 2 with an average of 82.29, composed of following barangays.
Barangay Pilipunan,
Barangay Ubo,
Barangay Batagan Santa Elena,
Barangay Batagan San Basyon,
Barangay Dayawa.
and Barangay Manila.
Once again, congratulations! Congratulations to our winners!
Yes, of course, meron tayong announcement. Excited na ba kayo? Dahil dyan, meron tayong announcement at excited na kayo. Dahil dyan, 50 pesos po ang entrance fee sa Youth Night sa District 2. Of course, our first runner-up is Cluster 2 for Pantomina Showdown. Cluster 2.
Cluster 2 composed of Barangay Pilipunan,
Barangay Ubo,
Batagan Santa Elena,
Batagan San Basyon,
Dayawa.
and Pakilaw.
Congratulations!
And of course, 50 pesos for entrance fees at the Youth Night partner. Murang-murang partner.
Yes!
Wala po ano yun ha. Dahil
No discrimination.
walang discrimination lahat po. 50 pesos. Okay? Thank you very much. And now, announcing the winner for Special Award Best in Costume. The winner will get 10,000 and certificate. The winner for Best in Costume, garnering an average score of 93%. Congratulations, Cluster partner?
Na-excite na ako, partner.
Grabe partner, ang handa-handa na sila. Okay, bago yan. Pakinggan natin ang liyawan ng Cluster 1. How about Cluster 2? How about Cluster 3? How about Cluster 4?
Huwag na natin patagalin, partner.
Partner, ano mapapanood yung partner atin nga mga kasama sa street dance competition?
Ang mapapanalunan ng mga street dance competitors and agents, their runner-up will receive 20,000 pesos and a trophy. Second runner-up will receive 25,000 pesos and a trophy. First runner-up, 30,000 pesos and a trophy. And the champion will receive 40,000 pesos and a trophy.
Ayan, may request na settle down muna ang ating mga participants. Ayan, kasi baka maka-highlight tayo. Ayan, kalma lang, kalma. Okay?
Excited na kasi.
Excited kasi sila partner. O excited, ako partner lang excited ako. Excited ako sa humba. And now, announcing the third runner-up for Festival Street Dance Competition with an average of 80.29%. Third runner-up goes to Cluster 2. Cluster 2 is composed of following barangays.
Barangay Katipunan.
Barangay Kubo,
Barangay Batalan Santa Elena.
Barangay Batagan sa Luzon,
Barangay Rilawan.
and Barangay Batilaw.
Once again, congratulations to our
Third
third
runner-up,
runner-up.
Cluster 2.
They will receive 50,000 pesos and a trophy.
Wow. Once again, congratulations to our third runner-up, Cluster 2. Ayan, thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up for Festival Street Dance Competition is with an average of 91.8%. Second runner-up goes to Cluster 1! Congratulations!
So, Cluster 1 is composed of the following barangays.
This is 1.
District 2,
This is 3.
Taguan,
Sunod.
and Putol.
Congratulations. Ayun, partner mo, ang kinakabahan nila partner yung mga nasa gilid partner. Kinakabahan natin yung mga nasa gilid.
Oo, mas kinakabahan sila doon.
Mas kinakabahan sila.
Nakikita ba?
Nakita ko si Cap Joel, mukhang natawa-tawa lang ang kinakabahan niya.
Nalanghain ka ba?
Andiyan din si Cap Larry, nakita ko sa unahan. Siyempre, mukhang kinakabahan sila. Andiyan pa rin si Cap Gerardo Serrero, si Cap sa gilid. Kinakabahan din si Cap, hindi pa nasawa yung cluster nila.
Sino kaya partner o iba?
Ano ba partner? Back to back ba? Or bago?
Nabigyan kaya
Or bago? Ano ba? Back to back or bago?
Malalaman natin.
Malalaman natin yan. Set kabalik na. Okay. Please settle down. And now, okay. Ngayon po, ang i-announce naman namin is the champion. Okay? Pag hindi po tinawag, ibig sabihin po, first runner-up. Okay? Kapag ang tawagin po namin is the champion cluster. Okay? Whatever.
Madulas na partner.
Whatever. Okay. Announcing the champion for Festival Street Dance Competition with an average score of 94.9%.
Sino kaya partner?
announcing the champion for Festival Street Dance Competition. With an average of 94.9%. Goes to Cluster. Partner ang tanong bago ba o back to back?
Ano ba kasi? Huwag kang pipigil.
Grabe partner kasi. Grabe exciting partner. Grabe talaga.
Na-excite na din ka, partner.
Okay.
Sabihin mo na.
Our champion for Festival Street Dance Competition goes to Cluster. The new winner for Festival Street Dance Competition, Cluster 3! Ang first up, Uli. Mabato. Batuan. And our first runner-up goes to Cluster 4 with an average of 92%. Composed of
Barangay Pagsamahan.
Barangay Palazzo,
Barangay Progreso.
Barangay San Marcos,
Siyempre,
and Torreon.
once again,
Congratulations! Thank you very much to our board of judges. Yes, yung ating pong champion. Magpapapicture mo tayo sa ating board of judges, yung ating pong champion. Yes, may request our board of judges to please join our champion team, Cluster 3. And of course, our punong barangays ng Cluster 3. May invite na magsama sa picture. Thank you.
yes, alam mo, partner, yung Cluster 3 composed of 250 countries.
Wow, partner, amazing.
Amazing! 250 participants from Cluster 3.
Huwag mo mag-alala para po yung mga costume. Kasi marami pa po yan. Huwag mo natin iba kami mga costume. Okay?
Coursing ulit sa ating mga tabulators or on Crystal
Yes,
Power.
Mr. Champion. Alright. And, pwede mo gawin po, opo muna yung champion na Cluster 3. Opo kayo kasi mag-entertaining po tayo. Cluster 3, opo, sila yung Cluster 3. Kasi mag-entertaining po tayo. Cluster 3, please sit down. Mga bata. Children, please sit down.
So, alam namin masaya kayo?
Yes.
Magpapapicture mo
Mag-picture na tayo.
Mga kapatid.
Oo.
Outing kayo na.
Siyempre, partner na kayo na.
Dapat may ka-outing.
Yan.